Alam niyo ba guys na merong game na kung saan yung mga skins na binibili mo like sa ML or sa Fortnite or Dota 2 is pwedeng i-convert into real world items? Let me show you that in this video. Kaya are you ready? Let's go! What is up guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Kung bago ka lang dito, ako nga pala si Gabriel Diaz, and dito sa channel ko, I upload make money online videos, NFT blockchain games, and cryptocurrencies. Kaya kung interesado ka sa mga ganung content, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on the notification bell para ma-notify ka kapag may bago tayong upload. So in this video guys, we're gonna talk about big time. So what is big time nga ba? Big time guys ay isang blockchain NFT game na kung saan it's an MMO implemented with the blockchain technology. So sa mga epic gamers dyan, sure naman ako alam niyo naman kung ano yung MMO, di ba? Pero ano what is blockchain technology? Blockchain technology guys is a type of technology na ini-implement sa mga games or cryptocurrencies para maging NFT ito. So, itong digital asset na to is magkakaroon ng real world value pag inimplementan siya ng blockchain technology kasi it's only one-to-one. Or nagbibigay ito ng authentication na sa'yo lang talaga yung isang item na to sa loob ng isang game. And that is basically NFTs or non-fungible tokens. So anyways guys, ano nga ba tong game na to? This game is called Big Time, tulad nga ng sinabi ko kanina. At dito sa game na to is you play with your friends, you clear dungeons, and then may chances na ma-drop yung NFTs nga na sinasabi ko. You can also buy cosmetics, items, at syempre mas maganda, mas mahal. So wala pa yung pinaka main game guys dahil ilalabas pa lang siya sa Q4 yata or Q3 ng 2021. Pero magpapakita ko sa inyo ng mga leak na footage ng gameplay niya. So if you want to know more about this game, make sure to watch until the end of the video dahil i-explain ko siya sa inyo ng mas mabuti. So let's get into my computer so we can talk more about Big Time. Okay guys, so andito tayo ngayon sa aking computer. And this is their website, bigtime.gg/thegame. So andito tayo ngayon sa The Game. So Big Time is a multiplayer action RPG where you team up with friends to adventure across time and space. So it's like dungeon grinding sa tingin ko guys. Ganun yung magiging gameplay nito. Pero I think it's open world. Okay, so open world siya. So pwedeng mag-join yung mga kaibigan mo sa world mo. Tapos i-grind nyo yung dungeons doon. Ganun. So, I think it's like parang Genshin Impact kung naglalaro kayo nun. Pero, hindi siya gacha game. Okay? So, ito yung mga characters, guys. Okay? So, iba-iba yung characters niya. Pero, pwede kang magpa-level up ng isang character lang at may chosen path ka na pipiliin. At yung chosen path na yun is mag-determine ng class ng character mo. So, pwede ka maging Time Warrior, Chronomancer, Shadow Blade, at meron pang isa. So, coming soon pa lang. As for the weapons guys, ito yung mga types of weapons na pwedeng ma-drop sa game. So itong battle axe mid stats right here. So dual blades, 200 great sword, at tsaka meron din ditong sword and shield, meron din ditong quantum staff, at meron din ditong warhammer. So di ba napaka-solid yung mga art styles nung netong mga weapons. Lalo na guys, pag nakita nyo yung gameplay later, papakita ko sa inyo yun mamaya. So, time machine. Upgrade your own personal time machine that you can decorate with legendary artifacts from across all of space-time. Invite your friends to hang out and join you for adventures. So, eto guys, yata yung time machine. Ito yung parang teleportan para makapunta ka sa world ng friends mo. Okay, so collectible items, stay tuned for news about upcoming drops and exclusive cosmetics and NFTs. So, eto guys, yung collectible items. Ito yata yung in-announce nila before. So, ipapakita ko rin sa inyo yan later. Magkakaroon sila ng pre-sale, guys, ng mga collectible items na pwede nyo bilhin. At pag binili nyo yun, guys, syempre, founder sale, pwedeng tumaas yun or bumaba yung value pag napunta na sa secondary market. So, as for the gameplay naman, guys, ito yung sample videos ng gameplay nila. Kung makikita nyo, di ba? Napakaganda ng graphics, ng art style. And, ito yung lumalaban dito. Ayan, ito yung siguro yung parang dungeon, ganun. Na nila yung mga monsters, and ito yung world, open world, at ito pa yung mga picture ng game. Ayan, open world guys, napaka-solid, napakaganda ng graphics ng Big Time. Kaya kung di nyo na-enjoy yung Axie Infinity, make sure to watch out for Big Time kasi kung mas gusto nyo mag-gameplay ng mas maganda at mas kumikita, is maybe there's a huge potential behind this game. Kasi guys, especially yung CEO ng Big Time is yung founder din ng Decentraland. If you don't know guys, Decentraland is also a blockchain game na matagal nang nai-establish. Okay, so pioneered in NFTs, founder of Decentraland.org. So yun yung CEO nitong Big Time. So sa founder sale naman nila guys, gaganapin ito or magiging live yung founder sale nila sa July 19. At syempre, NFT to, so limited lang yung mga pwede nyo bilhin. Okay, so pag naubusan kayo, pasensyahan na lang, diba? So, eto siya guys. So, eto pa lang yung ni-reveal nila na ibebenta sa kanilang founder sale. So, unang-una is yung VIP access passes. So, eto guys, pag bumili ka nito is magkakaroon ka ng access sa beta game or pre-alpha ng game or yung hindi pa na ilalabas sa publics. So, parang special access sa guys. So, kayo yung mauunang makalaro sa game. Okay? So, kung gusto nyo malaro agad yung game, di na kayo makapagantay, gusto nyo na mag-grind, gusto nyo na maglaro ng big time, make sure to purchase one of these. So, price ranges from Jade VIP, Silver VIP, Gold VIP, at andyan naman naka-indicate yung price. So, $179, $299, and $499. So, hindi ko pa sure guys kung ano yung currency na pambibili rito, kung Ethereum or USD. Okay, so hindi ko pa sure guys. Okay, so postcards from Spacetime. So ito naman yung mga collectible NFTs na pwede nyong makuha. O ito yung mga postcards. Okay, so NFT guys, basically nung nag-start talaga to is it's an artwork digitalized. So ini-implement siya ini-implement lang siya ngayon sa mga games para magkaroon tayo ng opportunity na kumita sa mga online games. For example na nga lang, 'di ba, yung Axie Infinity na lakas ngayon or napakataas ng demand. Okay, so may mga packs dito guys sa postcards at may makukuha kayo na different rarity na cards. So, priced at $39 each or $40 in pag ni-round off and limited to 1,000 copies per series. Okay, so cinematic moments. So, ito guys is yung mga animated na videos or GIFs na NFT din guys at 100 units lang each. Price at $300 each or $299. At meron pang isa, Wanted Dead or Alive. So, ito yung parang special NFT nila guys or special art na ang starting price nung in-auction nila is $499 US. So, pwede pang tumaas yun pagka tumaas yung demand nito kasi it's a one-of-a-kind concept art. Okay, so one-of-a-kind. So, ibig sabihin, napaka-rare. So, pag bumili kayo nito, tapos hinold nyo, tapos madaming pumasok sa game, sumikat yung game, madaming investors na pumasok, gusto nila ng one-of-a-kind na ganito, pwede mong ibenta ng mas mahal. Basic economics lang din guys, law of supply and demand. So, yun lang guys for me sa Big Time. So, kung gusto nyo sumali sa Discord server nila or sa Telegram channel or check yung Twitch nila at YouTube channel at Instagram, I will also leave a link down in the description dito sa press kit nila. So, check nyo na lang sa description guys yung mga links kung interesado kayo sa Big Time para ma-research nyo din ng sarili nyo. So, that's all for me. And that is Big Time, guys. 'Di ba? Napaka-solid niya, napakaganda nung game, napakaganda nung items, napakaganda nung artwork, 'di ba? Pero there is one thing na kulang sa kanya in my opinion as of now. Kasi 'di ba, nasa starting phase pa lang naman siya. Pero siguro naman i-add to ng devs in the near future. And that is guys yung tokens or yung tokenomics ng Big Time if kung magkakameron man. Kung 'di ba sa Axie Infinity, merong SLP and AXS. Sa may DeFi Pets, merong DPET tokens. Pero sa Big Time kasi is wala pa siyang tokens. So, ang pagkakakitaan lang talaga natin dito pag nilabas yung game is yung cosmetics or yung skins na nadadrop habang nilalaro natin itong game na to. So, yun lang guys for me, yung review ko about Big Time. If you want to check Big Time guys, all links will be in the description. Kung sa website nila, sa press kit, at sa Discord server, at yung other social media nila. So, yun lang guys for me. Please hear me out what you think in the comment section sa baba. And you can also suggest kung anong bang blockchain games or cryptocurrency na gusto nyo i-review natin dito sa channel na to. So, yun lang guys. Once again, I'm Gabriel Diaz. See you on the next one. And yun lang. Bye!